Hello everybody, welcome. This is Qinchengda from Shumatt, China. Today we want to introduce you one of our valve assembly. Let's see it together. Firstly, we see the BCI interior valve back, and here this is the label. The first line of the label, the Shumatt brand logo, and the product code F00VC01352 inject control valve. And this is the QR code. By the way, we support a customized service such as the logo, label, the packages, that we can have a customer to design it. And then I'll open it. Inside plastic bottles to protect the product. We use oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly. Actually, we're not only selling this kind of valve assembly whole one, we also sell a separate one. Like this valve cap, if you see clearly, you'll find in the inside it has a coating figures, and this is the valve rod. And here, Qinchengda have 3 tips I want to share with you. First is to make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly. And then is if you want to clean it with the oil. That's all. And also we supply with 6 months warranty time, so no worries. And so much for today's product introduction. Yes. And if you want to know more, please don't forget follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.